In this brand new YouTube Create video, I'm going to show you how to open a project and access other albums on your device. Start by tapping the Create Project button. You'll be presented with the clip selection window. At the top, it says Gallery. This gives you access to your entire photo library. But did you know that in addition to accessing videos, photos, and live photos, you can actually access other albums on your device? I have a stock clip right here that I downloaded from pixabay.com. I want to go and find my other stock clips. So I'm going to tap where it says Gallery, and I've got an album here, Video Clips. If I tap on that album, so I can add some more clips, long press on a clip. As the clip plays, you'll see that this is not the original clip, but this is. So this is the one that I should add. Just tap on Select, and then tap on the screen. The order of the clips is shown at the bottom. Tap on Import, and you can start editing. Tap Replace. You'll be presented with another clip selection window. This is the actual app logo. The clip has been replaced. Add your photo, tap Overlay, tap where it says Gallery, and I have a specific album on my device called Thumbnail Photos. This is the photo that I want to bring in. I'm going to resize it and move it, and then remove the background. I could use a text effect, but I'm just going to add some plain text. Tap Done. Tap on Style. Tap on Font. Then we'll crank up the size. Move it into position. Duplicate the text layer. Go to Style. Modify the color. Edit the selected layer and remove the words that you don't want to appear in yellow. Tap on Done. Move the yellow text to match up with the white text and take a screenshot. And that's a simple thumbnail. You can tap on the check mark and choose Save to Photos, and it will save this to your camera roll.